Once again, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to tell you how you can make lots of money from creating slide deck. So one client told me, I want a slide deck on the complete tutorial on how to make money or complete beginner friendly tutorial on Claude Code. So I come to website or YouTube website. So I searched Claude Code. So here I saw that this is the amazing video, Claude Code complete full tutorial. This again, this is also a very amazing Claude Code full course, and this is also amazing Claude Code full course. So what I did, I copied this link. I copied this YouTube link. After copying this YouTube link, I went to NotebookLM. So here I added the sources. I added the sources, very easy. Click here add sources and you will get the option. See, after clicking the add sources, you will get option YouTube. So after clicking YouTube, you will, after clicking here, just after clicking here, just you paste your YouTube link, then pasting, then insert. After inserting, then you come to here, your writing section. So here it will analyze everything. Then after inserting, move to ChatGPT. So here what you do, take this screenshot. What are the sources you have added? Take this screenshot and come to ChatGPT. Provide this screenshot. After providing this screenshot, what prompt I gave you, see. So here is the sources that I provide in the NotebookLM. I want a create PowerPoint presentation that is completely beginner friendly. So easy to understand everything detail I provided it. That I want a complete PowerPoint slide deck so that I can use to create video for my client. So I will provide this. It will provide me a master prompt. See, master prompt what? It will given first role. Act like a world-class AI educator. Instruction designer. So see how beautiful, 50 everything. Then task. What are tasks? YouTube video, online courses, workshops, corporate training. Then your context. What are your context? Context you provided everything. Level 7 requirement. Whatever requirement you can do. So see how beautifully it created. Section by section. Means full detail prompt. Then after generating this prompt, just move last and copy this. Copy this prompt. After copying this prompt, come to NotebookLM. After NotebookLM, paste here. See, after pasting this, it will create an amazing. Let me go to down. After pasting this, it will completely provide you a. See, here's a comprehensively beginner-friendly PowerPoint presentation on the Claude Code. Complete. Whatever color design you should use. Complete topography, style, slide 1, hook and opportunity, the AI coding revolution key concept, everything is given in detail. So slide 1, slide 4, slide 5, slide 6, slide 7, slide 8, 9, 10, complete. So after this completing, then I click on slide deck. After clicking the slide deck, it created me an amazing slide deck. Let's see how beautiful it created. So this is the slide deck. Just within 15 minutes it took me. Completely it's created. See the automation software studio, for precise foundation. Then see evolution of digital creation. So such amazing slide deck I created within a minute, and I will sell it of nearly 2000 or what 2000 rupees or 5000 rupees of your choice. So my client will pay me 3500 rupees. I charge little. If you also want such type of slide deck, you can contact me. I will help you to create. Okay. So see, this is the evolution era for again many, how you can install complete. So he is the client. Who is the client? He will use this slide deck to create video. I provided. He do not have time. That's why he told me. So I created. How amazing! See the modern architect. Everything given. Project title, copy.py, chat, file tree, canvas. How beautifully you can understood. See. Then anatomy of the agent brain, like Claude global, project.claude, what is the beneficial of Claude MD means what, memory MD means what, everything given. Then the context management funnel, plotted chat history, injected Claude.md. See how messy it is, but how beautiful it is. Solution, the autonomous build system, directive, planning phase, execution, local server generation, visualization, everything. Scaling the digital workflows, parent agent, you can use Opus 4.7, director, sub agent, agent 2, agent 3, researcher, reviewer, keyword tester. What you need? Everything given. See, concept, security review, shop, Amazon. Skills you give, it will review it and it will build it. The universal software connector, the framework, it is a Claude code. It will connect to Granola integration, Context 7 Figure, Asana integration, everything. Thus it is a main hub and you can connect it. See, blueprint, complete blueprint also I provided. So see, my client became so happy when I sent to him this to him. He fully happy and he told the next project also you will do. See, my client requisition also happen and it also have full faith. That's the strategy, build, monetization, AI token. So you can also create such type of slide deck. Just you should know the procedure how to create. Okay. So complete blueprint given. And now deployment and local to live, local host, Git, push up you can also do. You can do Vercel deployment. See. Then outstretching the digital studio. If your Claude MD is used, you can use for MCPs. Your sub agents can use work completely free. See, like researchers, coding agent, design agent. You are no longer an operator. You are architect, self content, everything given. Live web app you can create, internal automation you can create, SCP you can create. To see how beautifully. So such type of slide deck also you can create. Just follow the process. So I am recalling it. What should you do? The first go what is the importance or what the client told. Research on them. He told me to build a slide deck on Claude Code. That's why I searched Claude Code and I came here. I copied the desired link of the YouTube channel. Then I moved to NotebookLM. After